What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Arrest Woman Caught Impersonating Atlanta PD Officer. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually are talking about here.
On May 26, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for driving with expired tags and blue lights being attached to the vehicle.
Hello, Master Officer Children's College Police Department. Do you have your license real quick?
Why you pull me over?
Blue lights and expired tag. You got your license real quick?
My license is, what you say you pull me over for?
I just told you got your license real quick?
Sir, I'm an officer too. I work for the city of Atlanta, so we're going to give each other respect. Why did you stop me?
Yeah, well, for the second time, blue lights and expired tag. Do you have your license?
What's wrong with my blue lights?
You can't have blue lights on the vehicle.
Okay.
You said you're an officer, right?
Uh-huh.
You got your credentials?
I don't.
You don't have credentials?
I'm going to my aunt's house to check on my uncle. No, I don't.
Okay, so you're an Atlanta police officer?
I am.
Okay.
But I got my But I ain't nobody ever said that to me about my license. They didn't know this. I had, I just didn't put it on, but I had.
Do you have an updated copy? This one expired February this year, last year.
I just pulled this thing out today.
Your license, can I get that, please, ma'am?
What happened?
Your license, can I get that, please, ma'am? Awesome. Here, thank you. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Can you get Atlanta Police Department on the phone, and I'll signal 15 in reference to a verification of employment?
All right, you're connected.
Hey, hello?
Yes.
Hey, this is Officer Childers over here at College Police Department. I have an individual who is saying they are a police officer. I just need to verify that. I'm sorry, you said what? No, not on duty. She's clearly off duty. I've got her on the traffic stop. I just need to, she's claiming that she's an Atlanta police officer but has no credentials on her. Okay.
Hey, you're with Atlanta, you said?
Hold on, honey. Yes, I work for the city of Atlanta.
In a law enforcement capacity?
I work for the Department of Aviation.
Department of Aviation?
I do. Why?
Are you mandated?
Why are you asking me that, though?
Are you mandated?
Hold on. Let me call you right back. Oh.
See, she thought she was slick. She thought she was just going to throw that out there and the cop was just going to let you go. No. You ain't got no credentials, no nothing. Like, you know, me personally, when I would get pulled over and I was a correction officer, you know, it's a common courtesy, right? But it's not, you know, it ain't a given that they're going to give you a break. But you have your credentials. And no, you don't show your badge because anybody can get a fake badge off of like Amazon or whatever the case may be, right? Anybody can have a badge made up, right? But there's a card that you get. There's an ID card, right? And that has all your information on there, yada, yada, yada. So, you know, when, like, let's say I'm going to get pulled over. I get pulled over. By the time the officer even is up there, my windows is rolled down. I have my ID, registration, insurance card, and the last card that I got is my ID card, right? The work ID card. Boom. Put it on the bottom. Boom. You hand it to the officer. He gonna say, oh, hey, you know why I'm stopping you? No. Right? You always say no. Right? And then, you know, he gonna tell you, yada, yada. Do you have your license? Here you go, sir. And you just hand it right to him. Boom. He gonna go back, make sure everything is checks out or whatever. He gonna come back up. All right, just keep it pushing, bro. You know, just, you know, drive safe. You know, boop. That's it. Because when he's flipping through the information, right, and then the last thing that he gonna see is the ID, and he gonna, you know, you don't want to brag and boast or nothing like that, but it's subtle. It's like, all right, bet. You know, but he gonna still run your name, make sure you ain't got no warrant, no nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? And then that's it. But she's just throwing shit out there and she ain't got no credentials on her or nothing. You should have never, you was better off not saying that. You know what I'm saying? Because you lying. First of all, you're lying. And then second of all, you just dug yourself a bigger hole for no reason. Why are you impersonating an officer for a traffic stop? Like, come on.
Okay, I understand. Why are you asking about it?
But from my understanding, you're claiming to be law enforcement.
No, I didn't. I told him, came here, he was getting smart with me, and I said, we both gonna talk with the state. I work for the city of Atlanta. I said, so.
And the Department of Aviation, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
No, he didn't ask me for a department. I just said I work for the city of Atlanta.
Ah, okay.
So I was just letting him know I work in the same field. So you don't have to talk to me like there ain't no reason to tell me why you pulled me over.
Hold on, we gotta verify this. Hold on.
Hello, Master Officer Childers, Collins Police Department. Do you have your license real quick?
Why you pulled me over?
Blue lights and expired tag. You got your license real quick?
My license is what you say you pulled me over?
I just told you got your license real quick.
Sir, I'm an officer too. I work for the city of
She said, I'm an officer too. She said, I'm an officer too. Now you talking about some whole other stuff. No.
Like, there ain't no reason to tell me why you pulled me over.
Okay. All right, well, thank you.
Yeah.
She says she didn't tell you she worked for law enforcement.
She said she was an Atlanta police officer.
She said, I asked her, are you mandated? She said, no. I said, well, where do you work? City of Atlanta. She worked for aviation. But I didn't tell him I was law enforcement.
She told me she was an Atlanta police officer.
Damn it.
Oh, so she's not saying. Okay, never mind. She's not an Atlanta police officer.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right.
All right, bye. She told me she was an Atlanta police officer.
She said, I'm an officer down in Atlanta. That's what she said.
Did she say she worked for the City of Atlanta Police Department or she worked as a police officer?
I have to go back and see what
I
she
think she's playing words.
I had to go back initially to see what she said. But I said, so you're a police officer of Atlanta? Yes. So, I mean, you can only be one thing in police.
Okay.
Okay, let me do real quick.
Wait, hold on. Did he say that? Wait, you're an officer of police. See, come on, Crime Time Cam. Y'all gotta do a little better. The editing gotta be a little better because when they saying this, y'all supposed to be rewind, boom, and go back to the initial thing. You know what I'm saying? Because this got me like, wait, hold on. Because now the officer saying, I asked her again, you know, oh, you're a police officer in Atlanta. And she says yes. So let me see. Hold on. I gotta see.
Why did you stop me?
Yeah, well, for the second time, blue lights and expired tag. Do you have your
What's
license?
wrong with my blue lights?
You can't have blue lights on the vehicle.
Okay.
You said you're an officer, right?
Uh-huh.
You got your credentials?
I don't.
You don't have credentials?
Because I'm going to my aunt's house to check on my uncle. No, I don't.
Okay, so you're an Atlanta police officer?
I am.
Okay.
But I got one.
Got him. Yeah, you cooked.
She going.
Do you think we need to spike the car first?
Yep, she cooked.
All right, ma'am. You got the vehicle in park? Okay, go ahead and step out for me. You're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest for.
Impersonating law enforcement. Come on.
Sir, I did not say no.
Right now.
What are you doing?
Right now.
Uh-oh.
What are y'all doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop, ma'am.
Hold on.
Now you're going for obstruction.
No, I'm not. What are you
Put your hands
doing?
behind
I'm
your back.
trying to turn my vehicle off. What are y'all
Get out.
doing?
Do not reach for anything. Get out.
Sir,
No.
this is.
I just heard the video.
Turn it off.
No, step out of the car.
Turn it off.
Step out.
of the car, please.
Step out on your own power. Do it
Please
now.
Step out.
You put your hands behind your back. You do it right now. Put your hands behind your back. I'll put you on the ground. You put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am, just
I'm
please.
not resisting no kind of
Okay,
way.
we got you. Just please. I did see you holding on to that steering wheel, okay?
I'm just saying, what is he arresting me for? I
Wait,
didn't
first,
I said Department of Aviation. It's on my phone.
I just saw his video. You said,
No,
I am the police.
Stop moving.
No, sir, I said I work
9-7
for
code
the
6.
city
Just
of
listen
Atlanta.
to him.
It-
I just listened to him.
Okay, sir.
He said, are
Stop
you a police?
moving. Stop pulling me.
Man, just
No, it's not
Yeah,
gonna
you
be
cooked.
right for me.
For no reason.
Hold on, get me my. I need to call. Get
No, we're not doing no calling.
Thank you, okay?
9-7, start me at 10:51.
Just work. Everybody, hang on. Don't.
Give me my phone.
For no reason. Why would you try to impersonate for no reason.
Now, ma'am, do you have anything illegal on your person?
I don't.
Okay. You're under arrest for impersonating law enforcement.
I did
Shut
not
your mouth, please,
impersonate.
so I can explain everything.
I did not impersonate no
Impersonating law
law. You
enforcement.
said I was pulled over for.
Obstruction, unauthorized use of blue lights, and expired tag. Okay, that's what your charges are going to be.
No, I'm not, sir. I'm not. I'm not
second.
resisting. Why are y'all doing it?
Ma'am,
I did not impersonate no law.
Are we
He
having
asked me for my license and registration.
Are we having
and I
a
gave it to
conversation,
him.
or I'm just
Are
listening to
you
you scream in my
recording me?
face?
Are you recording me?
I have nothing more to say to you.
Okay.
Every time I speak, you scream over me.
Sir, the
There-
guy
I
asked
have
me for
nothing
my
else to say to
license
you.
and registration, and I gave it to
My
him. I did
conversation's
not.
over with you. Is she done with the pet now?
Yeah, the best I can do. I can't check it much more unless we can get it. We got a female working.
Okay, can y'all call the supervisor for me, please?
You're looking at him.
Okay, so what do he arrested me for what now?
For impersonating.
I did not impersonate no
I
person.
heard the video.
You came over there
You're
and
still
asked me
resisting.
yourself. I'm not
Sit down.
resisting,
Sit
sir.
down.
I never resisted.
Put your feet in the car. Temple.
You said, "Are you a police officer?" Yes.
Yeah, we're not playing these games. Over here trying to get out of a ticket, trying to act like she's a police officer. Which that wouldn't have worked anyways, but remember sit up.
That was so stupid. Like, why?
What's your name?
Soft your shoulders. Right, this great door for me, please. Just stand right there in front of it. Stand right there in front of the door. Yes, I have both your phones. Impersonate law enforcement. Impersonate law enforcement and obstruction. She sure did.
Look, well, my guy right here, he's shocked. He said he had to do a double look. He said, she said, I'm law enforcement? He said, look at him.
She sure did.
She said, I'm the police?
The woman was charged with impersonating a police officer, driving on expired tags, illegal lights being on the vehicle, and resisting arrest.
For no reason. Whatever, the lights, this and that. Impersonating a police officer is a serious crime. And you just got that for no reason at all. Like, why? Thinking you gonna get out of a ticket? Oh, man. That's crazy. That's what she get, man. Officer did a great job, man. I give him 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 stars from me. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officer did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.